Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and tapping on one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner, click on Files, and select them from here right away. If you wish to, you can click on one of those apps, select those three lines at the top left corner, and tap on one of those sources, and even click on Audio and Video Filters at the top. When you find your file, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!